The time has come to unbox some new books. Bye-bye. The muscles. Look at this paper.
Oh my gosh! Mr. Kazuki is spooky.
Kooky.
Get a grip.
Kooky.
We're on a trip.
Peppa Pig family trip. That sounds like, I feel like it. Yeah, this looks like a really good book.
Oh my gosh! A whole bunch of new I Survived. 3 new I Survived. The first one is the graphic novel I Survived the American Revolution. Second one is it's another American Revolution. And then I Survived the Battle of D-Day 1944. Looks really good.
History lovers.
Even graphic novels.
Oh, here's another Battle of D-Day. If you want to read it with a friend.
9 is the last comics on Earth. Too many villains.
If you like me and you love Bluey, you're never too old to love Bluey. I mean, come on, right?
Oh, Annie Frank.
And the newest Babysitters Club. It's even better than the other ones.
Miss Barr has gone too far.
The Amelia 6. It's where Amelia Earhart's goggles go missing.
Oh my gosh, that sounds awesome.
If you're like me and you love learning about history and things that happened, I would say that book is for you.
The Baby Sister's Little Sister. Ooh. More Peppa Pig books.
In the Pablo Picasso book.
I hope you enjoy the books. And another day of unboxing books. Dun, 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 dun.
Beautiful, beautiful job. Use your muscles. Come on.
Paper.
My favorite part.
Okay, to start off, we have the last comics on Earth. Another one.
We got a kid's smoothies. Healthy smoothies for snack time.
The Sea of Monsters? Scary.
How to Catch a Mermaid?
Wow! In Georgia O'Keefe book. There's 2 other books in the series from our last unboxing video. Go watch another one.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
What we've all been waiting for. The box of books. Be careful.
Dun, dun.
Da-da-da.
I can already
My
see that.
favorite, the bubble stuff. I love these stuff.
More Bluey the Koala.
Some World War II Nazi
Stolen Girl.
books. This looks so good. It's like a horror and World War II book. So yeah, it looks.
How to Catch a Yeti? Well, I want to learn how to do that.
Super Pancake.
The Battle of the Lady Wrench. It looks like a fantasy book.
I think there's another one in the series, too.
I think it is.
Now, the Mayor Good Boy. I wish we had that mayor.
Yeah.
A mayor that's a dog? That's just awesome.
We should have totally
And
gotten
last,
these books sooner.
But not least, How to Catch the Dinosaur.
Sheesh!
Dun, dun,
This is the package where it all happens.
dun, dun, dun.
Use those muscles. You got this. Come on. Come on.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh! Making friends. 3rd time's a charm.
More Making Friends. Back to the drawing board. Together forever.
Trapped in Hitler's web. More World War II.
Where is Waldo now?
Guess what? More Making Friends.
Oh my gosh!
And last but not least, dun dun dun!
babysitters.
Little sister Karen's haircut.
Oh my gosh, sounds awesome.
So cool. Another unboxing video. Go watch another one. Peace out.
Girl Scout. Oh my gosh, another unboxing video.
Be careful with those scissors, girl.
Okay,
Okay, take it easy. Take it.
relax. It's an unboxing video. It's unboxing books. Like, oh my god.
Oh my gosh! Oh my! Ooh.
A horror book in Field of Screens. It looks very scary.
Can't get my
The
hand in there.
newest, the Great Peach Experiment. Duck Peach.
Duck Peach.
I think someone's in love.
We got some more. Mayor Goodboy goes to Hollywood. And then Dogman. 20,000 Fleas Under the Sea.
And the last two. The Last Kids on Earth. And the Monsters Demolition.
Yes!
And Cave Boy Dave.
Oh.
Not so far below.
It looks so funny. You should totally read that.
Yes!
I can't wait.
You should totally read this one also because who doesn't like Dogman?
Bye.
Peace out.
Girl Scout.
See ya. The final countdown.
3,
2,
1.
dun, dun, dun. Get to it already, girlie.
ASMR.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. More Mayor Good Boy. Bad
Oh my gosh, that
to the
looks
bone.
so good.
Good.
Like, actually, like, you should read that.
How to catch a garden berry.
There's so many how to catch something.
The Last Olympian. If you don't remember from our last unboxing video, there was some of this series before. It looks like fantasy goodness right here.
And the Titans Curse.
Titans.
Titans Curse. Another book of that series.
Maybe we should do how to catch a Lenny. But last but not least, the Babysitters Club, Claudia in the Bad Joke.
If you're like me and you read the entire series, this is the complete to it.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Thank you.
It's it for us. Peace
Out, Girl
Scouts.
Bye bye.